Let's spin something plain and simple into something stylish with a Bowdabra flower that mimics a magnolia, perfect to embellish your organizational needs. Stay tuned. The key to making this magnolia flower is prep work. I've already gone ahead and pre-cut this green ribbon to make the leaves to about 8 inches, the second layer to about 7 inches, and the third layer to about 6 inches. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I've already gone ahead also and placed my Bowdabra wire into the machine. You're going to take your green ribbon to make the leaves and place it into the Bowdabra. Then you're going to take all the layers of the flower and place it into the Bowdabra on one side. 4 of one layer, 3 of the other, 3 of the other, and 4 of the other. Place it all in the middle of the Bowdabra. And then I've already gone ahead and made the flower bud with floral tape wrapped around the ribbon. So you just keep wrapping and wrapping until you cover the ribbon. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you just spiral it until it looks something to this form. Okay, and then you're going to place that into the middle. Turn, take your slip knot, pull through, pull it tight, split the wires, turn it back, pull it tight, tie a knot. Once you secure all your material and tie the knot, you're going to hold all your petals like an ice cream cone. Wrap one side of the wire around and the other wire the other way around. Bring it together. Tie a knot really tight and then tie another knot really tight. And now you start separating all the petals, the leaves, and playing with it to give it a shape. Once you have a shape that you kind of like, here's where your hot glue comes in. Add a little bit of glue. Add a little glue again. And start creating your form. To secure anything, just glue it down. Let that dry and keep shaping. Pull away any frays. And there you have it, a ribbon magnolia flower. Here's where more fun comes in. Whatever your organizational needs are, like this box where I put some tabs, put recipes, whatever you want, or whatever it is that you want to embellish. Put a ribbon, a satin ribbon around it. Take your magnolia flowers, place them on top. And there it is. I hope you liked the tutorial, and I'll see you next time.